I'm gonna check between crystals and the beads. If you feel any like scratchy, you want to squeeze that in and fill in all the gaps between crystals. This will help prevent from all the catching from the hair and the clothes, so then they will last longer for the clients. So we're gonna keep this one for 60 seconds. The Facebook is so dark though.
No, that's just the phone. Also, good morning. I guess it's Luigi?
Luigi? Hello. Good morning. We are the night hour and our early morning hour, I think. I'm still doing, I love to sharing it with all of you, and then it's just, you gotta watching earlier was how we did the troubleshooting with what I did the transfer for. It's just fun, and we learned something cool.
Yes. So Luigi, if you want to see Nancy nails, how she doing the whole thing, go to IGTV, and there's a whole category of how I do my own nails. Go in there. There's all of like her last 5-7 sets or so.
Okay, I'm gonna. Oh my God, you got your nails done. Yes, I got my nails done. Pixie, it's been like how many days now? Week now? Right here. In the meantime, we're waiting for the nail. Yeah. I got them close, but then it's like kind of different. Yeah. How do I show on that Instagram?
Yeah, you gotta zoom out a bit.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Right here. Thank you. Thank you, Laurie. Thank you, Eric. It's just fun, and it's just two thumb. And I have the video for this now, so you can be watching them from IGTV. It's such a great day today. You know, it doesn't matter how many times that I get like spilling things on my stations when I'm doing live tutorial for all of you, or like I turn it upside down with Chan for is all of them. It doesn't matter. It matters that we get the 4 nails finished and we have fun. So we're watching a live tutorial, and I have so much fun that to be honored to share with you live tutorials every single day except Sunday. But I will miss you tomorrow, but I will definitely gonna see you on Monday and with more live tutorials. And I really appreciate it, every single of you to tuning in every night, or even you just like first time tuning in. Thank you so much. We did really bad